What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S gamer here with
Shakeem
and
Shake one.
so today Shakeem is here. Shakeem is gonna teach me how to play Fortnite. Me can't play it, as you guys know. I'm gonna play Fortnite. Me only fought a day, not night. So Shakeem is gonna teach me how to play it. Cause Shakeem plays it. Alright? So without further delay, let's go.
Okay, first we're gonna play a game instead of playing creative, so to see how I'm playing, how I'm playing first. So my controls are, I go to customs, I go here, put my select button as RT, it should be, and then after triangle is for my edit button.
So would this controller stay like this all the time? Or do I have to change it back?
You can change it back if you want.
Well, you have to change it back when they finish.
Okay. And then after that one's gonna be my pickaxe. That's gonna be my resets. Okay, now when we go into a solos game to see how an Xbox controller is good.
Come on, Shaq, let's get it.
Okay.
So
yeah, it feels very good.
So is there other people in this game now?
Huh?
Is there other players in the game with you now? There is?
Yeah.
Okay, carry on then. Let me see what you're doing.
Oh my god.
Some people over there, sir.
Huh?
Some people there.
Yeah, I know. The game hasn't started yet.
Go and shut him.
The game hasn't started yet.
What do you mean?
It hasn't started yet.
Some of the people over there, sir, knock something.
Yes,
yes.
the game hasn't started
But
yet.
you have to wait for the battle bus. You can't just go in the map.
Oh, so you can just go and shut him.
Yeah, firstly, you're going to spawn in the battle bus. Then you have to come out. Then look at, yeah, like that.
Oh, like
Yeah.
Call of Duty.
Yeah.
Okay, first let's go Misty Meadows.
So you can play Call of Duty?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, I can play Call of Duty.
You're good?
Yeah.
Good way.
Good at shooting.
You ever win a game, eh?
Yeah.
In
Sometimes.
a Warzone?
Yeah.
He plays Free Fire.
You have?
Yeah. Okay, this season I haven't played that much because
Season 2.
Huh?
Season 2.
This is not season 2.
No, I'm on about Warzone.
Oh. No, but on Fortnite I haven't played this season at all.
Oh,
Because
okay. But they know which season this. There must be Black Pepper and season start. Alright, so do your thing. Let me see what I go on.
Okay. I've got a pump or must drift shotgun. Some grenades. I hear people in my house.
Go and shot him. Go and shot him. Don't make him kill any youth. Don't make him kill any brother.
Me no. Okay. Pushing him.
Oh, yeah, push him. What you man I gonna shoot you now?
No, I can't play on. I can't play on Xbox. It's
You can't play
too
on
bad.
Xbox?
No.
Alright, hold on. Wait.
It's
Wait.
hard.
Wait. Alright, so we have new controller now. Let's go again. Let me see. A while ago, come 95, 95th. You might come 94 now. Trouble there your foot.
What's not?
Water!
Water. Okay. Hopefully this game will be better because I have the PS4 controller.
Let's go.
It doesn't allow me to pick up. Okay, yeah, it does.
I can find excuse.
There we go. Oh, there's so many revolvers. And wow, we're gonna start the game in 5 seconds.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Now, let's go Misty Meadows again. Oh yeah, Misty Meadows. Okay, let's see if I have a better drop and a better gun this time.
Where am I going? Check your feel.
He said he's pretty good at Fortnite, but I'm not sure where he's gonna come. So I'm just assuming he's gonna come second.
Ooh, thank you. But you should sing first, because I'm gonna come first. Don't worry.
No good.
Yes, I am. I'm better than you. Don't know how to play the game.
Oh my god.
Oh, bow. I got a bow and a shotgun. Just getting some materials.
Nice.
Nice.
So the man I go give him gunshot, you know, when him forward in. That go nice.
That's what's gonna happen to you as well. So
Me not play, yeah, play.
yeah, you're gonna play after me.
Where?
Cause I'm teaching you, so you have to play as well.
Uh-huh.
You forgot about that, didn't you?
I will practice when you are not here.
He definitely won't. But okay.
Storm forming in. Okay.
Storm's coming,
Forming it says FORMING.
but it's oh no, like the zone will start to.
Yeah, me know.
Close and
It's,
stuff.
yeah, that's forming. Close it, bro. Gunshot. Okay. Turn on.
It's not there. It's not behind me. I can hear gunshots. They're down here, but not behind me. Why is it so loud? Thank you. Yeah. Oh, there's a person right there.
Where?
Over there. I saw him.
Knock him.
Knock him.
See there? Pack him! Where scream so far, yeah, girl? Gunshot!
Oh,
What I got up here? Oh, he kill one. He get a duppy.
May get that duppy. Let's just eat this med kit quickly. Whew. That was a lucky shot.
Yeah, you get a lucky shot.
He got two lucky shots. Why is this editing so slow? And I hear a person, but I don't know where they are. They're in this house. They're sweat. I think.
This is what me couldn't bother to do. If you build something for going to one house to go kill a man. But just running, kick down door, boom, gunshot.
FBI, open up.
Yeah. You know, run.
Oh.
Got him
Let's
again.
Are the same person that will come at the same person?
No. It's a different.
So, once you kill them got gulag and
There's
come
the next
back?
person. No.
Okay.
Man said gulag.
I don't know if I'm going to gulag. See me? Like now. Shoot her in her skirt. Bang!
Oh!
Yeah, oh, you're lucky now, brother.
I'm not lucky, just skill.
Brother, look more skill. You better eat some L. Look more skill. Skill where?
That's 3 kills on the board, mate.
You better win this, you know. If you don't win
When
it,
you
you
finish that, have some chug jug.
That's not chug jug, that's just big pot.
I know.
What is chug jug? Chug jug's not even inside the game.
It's a song, bro.
So
Oh, yeah.
you have all that skin them and thing, right?
Yep. But not on this account.
No, that's my account.
Yeah. Woo. Hear shots coming from northeast, so let me push that. Right. SMG already got one.
You know? I told them over there fight. Wait, no, make them fight each other and kill each other first. Then you can kill them. See, man, I'm shoot you. You kill one?
Almost.
Oh, there's some.
A shark go bite him. Wall him.
Yeah, man!
Go and shot him. Alright, you have one more way now. Level 2, me up on level 2. Me up on level 2.
Level 2. That's a wolf, by the way. That's a wolf.
Level 2 is a wolf.
Jesus.
You better run now. I'm a broken neck. You got it now. You wolf kill him and you kill. Run. You not cut.
Nope.
That man was scared of wolf.
Run, behind you.
That got he is.
I'm sorry.
You trap them in there. Him can't come out. Him can't come out, see me?
Nope. Got him.
Them wolf are hungry though.
I'm hungry. That's 5 kills.
You need
5
some.
kills.
You need some ammo.
Yeah. No. Only AR.
You
Just
need,
in time.
yeah, you're up on 35 ammo.
That's not ammo. That's shield.
Whatever,
And health.
shield, ammo, health, whatever, belt, strength, $1 I don't know.
We might. Yeah, we used to go circle, which is Lazy Lake. Oh, that's this boss.
So, who that?
That's a boss.
wow.
Oh no!
A boss?
I don't want to fight him.
So, somebody that?
Oh no! Ah!
You're dead. Pushing wing for you.
I'm dead.
I think you should leave.
You're on the
right
health.
now.
I'm running.
You're on the health.
Nope, I have no health.
Go on the water, go on the water. Him see the shoot after you?
No. I'm gone.
So, hold on. Is that an next player, an next person?
No, that's just a AI, which is a bot.
Oh, it's a bot. So, bot a killer?
Yeah, they're OP.
But you're not good.
Oh my god.
Bot a kill him.
What do you mean, bot to kill me?
Bot a killer.
He didn't kill me. I'm still alive.
Look on your health. 30. Then shut off 70 have I.
I know.
God.
But I kill him.
They're OP. They're OP.
Them OP, but them a shoot you, brother.
Yes, they're
Bruh.
OP. The guns are too. The guns are too good.
Them what?
The guns are too good.
They can
Them too
literally
good?
kill a player.
Yes,
You better get some health.
that's what I'm trying to do.
You better do that quick.
Wow.
Yes,
There's
you're
a chest
good then.
above me.
Just wow. How about you play that?
Me?
Yeah.
God go with you now.
How about you play that?
No, me alright.
Okay.
No, matches. Yes.
He's good. Shakim's doing good at this game, okay?
So him say.
I can light a campfire as well.
So, you find out how much kill you have now. Which one of them there?
Kills. Oh, the kills are right there.
Oh, like Call of Duty, man.
I Call of Duty, man. I'm very good. I'm better than him.
Of course
by-
you better than me.
By far.
Me no good.
You haven't even played the game before in your life.
No, daddy.
I just need to find a purple pump or a golden pump, and my loot is set.
What is purple for golden from? What else?
Like,
From?
you know that gun, but upgraded.
Oh no.
Oh, the circular wall.
Yep.
You did. We are jump for. Run.
I don't have to run. Look how close I'm to circle.
Go to the circle. The circle gone there.
It's right there, and he just stopped. Relax, it just stopped.
But you got dead.
No, I'm not. I have bandages.
Oh, sorry, I never know.
Oh my god.
I don't know if you play the game, brother.
Yeah,
But look at your life. You're up on 47 now.
I'm about to be on 75. Watch.
Hypey.
6.
Nobody hyper than you.
You see? Wow, 75.
You better get to 100, because if you're up on 100, I'm about to go kill you.
There's no more bots.
Oh, alright. Thought there was. So, when you reach a level 2, you get a new character and new skins? Because I one character I'm having, I don't know what I'm going with him. I want the egg there. I wish for all the egg there.
It's because oh well.
I wish chicken in the egg then.
Chicken.
Watch out.
Dinosaurs.
Dinosaur, the extinct. Dinosaur gone out. That game is too life.
Oh, big pot, big pot, big pot. I'm probably gonna get sniped.
Jug.
But him just waste everything. Him just waste every
What? Healable.
him just waste it.
Huh?
He just wasted everything.
No, that gives me more shield and
Yeah,
health.
but him a drink it and he go down. Him a dash it there.
Oh my god. Then
Wow. It's just oh, there's chickens.
That is
Hello,
the
chicken,
game.
chicken.
Clip him in now.
You don't have to. It's just a chicken.
Once a feather fly, man.
Oh, that's the bot again.
Oh, you better cut.
no, you better.
So
run.
if you kill him, what happen?
I get some weapons, I think.
The murder him, man. Him not move.
My friends.
Oh,
Fast talker.
Friends.
The man a kill him, dog. You can't believe the man a giant gonna go kill you.
no, he's gonna kill me.
You're lucky, nah?
He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me.
Oh my god.
So alright, so you approach him, but you don't have to kill him then.
Yeah.
Okay.
But unless they shoot at you first.
Okay, come see him go so. And fall him
Yeah.
on. But after him fall him on, you start shooting and nearly shoot you still. Exactly.
That's what I have to do. That's a
Skr.
screw.
Ski. My brother.
Hopefully I don't get.
Watch out.
Yo.
Lose it.
What do you mean I died? I did not die.
Them swim around there.
Huh?
Them swim around the fish. Them I want steam
There's
to them.
building. People
Watch
are
it, watch it. I
sorting.
want steam to them. With some crackers.
No way.
With some crackers.
Yeah.
He's just swimming. And there's a frog right there.
Where bullfrog there?
It's just a frog. It's not a bullfrog.
So bullfrog and frog are the same thing?
No.
Why? Why
In
different?
this game, it's not.
Why different?
It's because it's more larger and it's more smaller.
Frog and frog are the same thing. I see them frog legs where them eat. And spring chicken.
No.
What you talking about, bro?
Okay.
Bullfrog and frog are the same thing, brother? No?
No. Not in this game.
Nothing. Oh. New landmark. Oh, okay. So me a go on.
That's the depot.
Up on level 2, you know, soon level 3. Everything loud, man.
It's not you. It's me. It's me, okay?
Yeah,
It's
go.
me.
Whose account is it?
Yeah, but who's done the hard work?
Me.
Okay, let's see who's playing. Ah! You know he was.
So bandage. Yo, this circle is moving so quick, bro.
Oh my god, sorry.
So how much people left now?
17.
Oh my god.
16, actually.
So, you think you can win this?
Yes.
I don't think you can because you depend on your health.
Okay, how about this year? If I win, you have to give me £100.
No.
£10.
If I win, me give you £10.
Say less. The stakes are high. Let's see if I can win this game. I'm better than him. He's not gonna. I think.
He's not gonna win.
I'm gonna win. Don't worry, I'm gonna win.
Okay.
Run there then. Look at the thing. Look where you're running. You're not even running straight. Brother, what you do?
I'm healing. I'm gonna die. Don't you know?
Run straight then.
I don't have to run straight. I just have to go like that.
To the person that shoot at you, no? Or this a bot?
That's a bot. Look, you can see the
Oh, there's something to
three
talk to.
dots. Yeah. I can heal up. The next circle's all the way over there.
You better get yourself over there.
By using the car or feet.
Wow, something funny?
Yeah. Yay, full HP.
So this episode was supposed to be my son teaching me how to play, but he might play because I want to see where I'm going with. Because he might say, Dad, I'm good at Fortnite. Fort where?
I'm just better than you.
Fort lie.
I'm better than you.
Alright. You know, so no. You that game this.
Dad, did you know?
What's the people that shoot? Make them fight first. Make them fight first now.
Okay.
See, smart that shoot out. People are fighting the dog. Make them fight first.
Oh, okay, see less. Okay.
Make them fight first and then you go over there and
There's a
clean up.
person right there.
Yeah, go fight him.
I'm gonna
So-
run him over. I'm gonna run him over. Watch,
Yeah.
I'm gonna run him over.
At least you know where 2 people is.
Yeah.
That's alright. See my shooter there?
That's the guy who killed me before.
BAM!
Pew. Wanna go again?
BAM!
Wanna go again?
Dead.
Wanna go again?
Man, stand up again.
Wow!
Idiot!
Oh my
That's
god.
idiot.
The man stand up again.
Yeah, but you idiot.
Come to the brother here. Him can't run, him can't jump and make a house and go up on the top. There's one person watching you. Spectating you.
Yeah, the spectator.
It's probably the person that you just killed with the car.
Yeah.
Him full door. Done him.
Incoming.
Done him. Back him! And then?
Nope. He's a little bit HP though. Whoa, you wanna go back again, yeah?
Where
Go
there?
back again. He's over here.
Oh, he's there.
Pishing!
No! I missed it. Paching!
Yo.
Oh my god.
Yeah, idiot, you.
Oh,
Shoot the man.
Got him.
Whoa, yeah.
Gunshot him in the head back.
I don't have 10 pounds for gain, you. That me attack about.
better get it ready, Dad.
There's
Where's my £10?
Yeah,
There's
actually-
only 2 people left. Where's my £10?
2 people left?
Yeah.
Wait.
Jesus.
Woo! Relax. If I run you over. You want me to run you over, yeah? Wherever you are. Right there.
Go in there. Let me go. Let me sit down.
Sam can't move! Give him again. Give it to him.
Where's my £10? Where's my £10?
You have one more to kill, bro. You have the boss to kill now.
Boss? I don't
Yeah.
have to kill no boss.
Boom!
Oh, he jumped
he's
over.
good.
Reverse on him.
Victory Royale.
I can't believe he actually win.
My ears are burning, mate.
So guys, this was the first episode of him. I played for, well, he wasn't teaching me, he was just playing. I lied. But yeah guys, this was the first one. He won a game after
I wasn't
finishing.
playing as my best.
Huh?
I wasn't playing as my best, by the way.
That wasn't your best?
No, because the same wasn't mine.
So we're gonna end this. Look out for part second.
Alright.
Peace.
Peace.
Fishing